Be strong and optimistic because things always get better. It might be stormy now, but can't rain forever. A very pleasant morning to our manager, Reverend Father Jose TJ, our principal, Reverend Sister Merlin, our headmistress, Reverend Sister Poonam, Reverend Sister Tomsey, respected teachers, and my dear friends. When we least expect it, life sets us a challenge to test our courage and willingness to change. These 2 years were undoubtedly the most stressful and challenging for all of us. I'm sure we all have missed the school. That half day of chatter, learning, unlearning, the buzz near the corridors, and finding your place among your peers, which had shrunken to a tiny voice scream. Playground friendships had unraveled. There were no scrap knees, neither falling off in the school playground, nor dusting yourself off and getting back on. And of course, no escape from the grown-ups. But, as it is rightly said, that no dark cloud can forever prevent the sun from shining. And so we are, safe, sound and enthusiastically back to school. But still, the fight is not over yet. There might be challenges in this new normal. But we Marians can run over these challenges too. Because when the going gets tough, only the tough get going. Here's wishing a good health for all of you and delighted to welcome each one of you.
Failure is not the opposite of success. It is a part of success. During the period of the last 20 months, we have figured out how to overcome obstacles and uncertainty. How many times this past school year did we think, I can't keep doing this? Yet we did. After 2 long years of silent corridors and empty classrooms, finally we all are present here in school, and it has been so good to see your smiling eyes above your face masks. We all know that the pandemic and lockdown of education institutions have caused major interruptions in our learning cycle. Now, with re-entry to our school, we should have proper planning and arrangement and set clear and achievable goals for ourselves. Because if we have concrete planning, we are already on the road to success and prosperity. We all should remember that today is the opportunity to build the tomorrow we want. Being challenged in life is inevitable, but being defeated is an option, and we all did not choose to be defeated. Together, we, our school management, and our parents decided to overcome these challenges instead of running from them. Due to their meticulous planning, we are here back to normal. But still, we never know what would come next in this new normal. But I am pretty sure that when things get tough, we Marians get tougher. So let us start a new year at school with hopes and dreams that no matter how limited we might be, we will do our best to achieve what we call dreams. The truth is, we are all learning new ways of being in the community, and we'll keep learning all year. We all will struggle to resist the default of handshakes and high fives, to walking out of our rooms with our masks off. That's muscle memory. I hope we all start this new beginning of the year of education with new motivation and enthusiasm. Wishing you all the very best in this new academic year.
Take the first step in faith. You don't have to see the whole stage. As we step into a new academic year, let us ask Lord Almighty to shower His blessing on us through a prayer dance.
में रहूं सदा बन के तेरी रहूं तू मुझ में जिए मैं तुझसे जीऊं यीशु यीशु तेरी बन के रहूं। बनी रे बनी मैं तो तेरी, बनी रे बनी मैं तो तेरी। हाँ हाँ, हुई रे हुई मैं तो तेरी, हुई रे हुई मैं तो तेरी। जो गनिया, जो गनिया। जो गन बन रही मैं तो अब तेरी। जो गन बन रही मैं तो यीशु तेरी। बनी रे बनी मैं तो तेरी, बनी रे बनी मैं तो तेरी। हाँ हाँ, हुई रे हुई मैं तो तेरी, हुई रे हुई मैं तो तेरी। जो गनिया, जो गनिया।
Let us watch a video on tips to get a good start to the school academic year.
Proven tips that will help you to get a strong start to this school year. Work on your time management skills. If you are that type of a student who procrastinates a lot while studying, then trust us, you will have to work on time management skills. So, start taking studies seriously and work on managing time. Best way to manage time is to note down things which you have to accomplish during the day and allot proper time according to the difficulty level. Trust us, this technique is not only useful during school days, but if you learn it properly, it will become a boon for your future. Tip number 2. Make an outline of your plans and goals. Prior planning can change your life, so do implement planning in your day-to-day life. When your school will start, try setting both short-term and long-term goals. In short-term plan, write down all the things that you want to accomplish in a week, and in the long-term goal, write down all the things that you wish to accomplish in 1 month. Example, set a short-term goal of completing 1 chapter, and a long-term goal, set a target of completing 5 to 6 chapters. Planning will also help you to check your productivity level and will give you a clarity of where you are lacking and what else can you do to become more effective. Tip number 3. Learn to tackle stress. Studies can become stressful many a times, so it is very important to get rid of stress, or else it may grow into anxiety, depression and other terrible things. And if this happens, then you will not be able to stay productive, and due to that, you will not be able to score good marks in the exam. So, to manage stress, play sports, have a good night's sleep, meet friends or spend time doing things that you love. But remember, with those things, don't neglect studies. Tip number 4. Arrange a studying environment and list of essential things. New year means new study supplies. So, it's always better to buy study supplies in advance. After buying them comfortably, organize your working environment at home. Don't mess up your study table because studying in a messy place decreases your productivity level. So, make sure to buy essential things which will be required during the new year and organize it neatly. Tip number 5. Make new friends and ask for help whenever required. Don't feel shy to make new friends because friends play an important role in life. But be careful while making new friends because you become an average of 5 persons whom you spend your most time with. So, choose a friend who achieves good marks in the exam. Also, don't hesitate to ask help from your teachers and friends whenever required. So these were the 5 tips that will help you to have a strong start to the new year.
This is our dear school, built with unity. So come, let's celebrate this day. Say aloud, hooray! Welcome one and all of you, and thank you for your time. So come, let's hold our hands and enjoy the special ride. Welcome one and all of you to join us on this day. So come, let's hold our hands and dance and sing and sway. We welcome our dear chairperson and so our honored guests. We welcome our dear principal and our parents too. We are glad to see you here with us today. We hope to entertain you in our honest way. Welcome one and all of you, and thank you for your time. So come, let's hold our hands and enjoy the special ride. Welcome one and all of you to join us on this day. So come, let's hold our hands. And dance and sing and sway. Good things of zeal and courage we wish to fly high. With your blessings, good wishes, we are sure to rise. Lead the proud children with dreams so big and high.
Set your goals high and always dream big, because you are only as big as the dreams you dare to live. It is always important to dream big and aim high. Open your thoughts and let the ideas flow freely. Now let us watch a video to understand this. Hope it will motivate you to follow your dreams and reach your goals.
Class, pass the test papers down.
Yes, luckily I passed. How much did you get? Passed also. Good job. 59.
Shirley? What happened? Let's take it one step at a time, okay? Where do earthquakes occur most often?
Along the edges of
Tectonic.
tectonic plates.
Do you understand what it means? Mangroves protect coastal areas from erosion. As you can see behind me, the mangroves have roots that are exposed. So how do the exposed roots reduce erosion? The sea used to come all the way up to there.
Madam Pua, is that area also reclaimed land?
Yes, that's a good question. The speed of the river slows down and sediments begin to accumulate, forming land mass. What are the land masses known as? Shirley?
Deltas?
Yes, that's right. Do you understand the subject better now?
Yeah, I'll try to get C5 for the mid-year exam.
Just try your best, Shirley.
哎呦，这个天气真的吓人的嘞！忽然间下这么大的雨。
哦，是雨季来的。每年的雨季大概就是这个时候。
哦，
Pass the papers down.
Madam Pua, what do you mean by well done? I still failed.
You worked hard and made a big improvement. Isn't that more important? Keep up the good work, Shirley.
Let us now invoke God's blessing through intercessory prayers. All of you are requested to join your hands and close your eyes for the prayer. Your response will be, Lord, hear our prayer. O Lord, we take a moment today to thank you for all the blessings you have given to us, our friends, our family, our teachers, and all the countless blessings you have given to us. May we see these blessings in future and try to appreciate them. Your response, Lord, hear our prayer.
Lord, please bless all teachers and friends as they make their way back to their classes for another year. Help them to feel excitement and joy in the promise of a new start. Give them everything they need to start their classes. Give them all they need all year. Your response, Lord, hear our prayer.
We give you praise, O God, for everything that is new and beautiful, for everything which holds promise and brings us joy. Bless us as we start this new year with our friends and teachers. Help us to make the most of every chance we have to start afresh.
Lord, we thank you for our friends. Help us to be good friends this year. Help us to be patient with ourselves and with others. Bless our school and keep us safe. Your response, Lord, hear our.
Father, as we step into a new academic year, restore our spirit, renew our passion for sharing our wisdom, and nurture our compassion for those we put in our change. Your response, Lord, hear our prayers.
Lord, I ask for your help as I begin this new school year. Allow me to experience your presence in the many blessings you put before me. Open my eyes to the new challenges and exciting opportunities that this new school year brings. Open my heart and mind to the new teachers and new friends. Give me a generous spirit to be enthusiastic with my studies and courage to accept new opportunities. The response, Lord, hear our prayer.
Dear Lord, we thank you for the gift of our manager and our sisters, who are the foundation of our school. They have nurtured us and guided us ever since we stepped in the shadow. We ask you to bless them and grant them good health and happiness in life, so that they continue with the good work they are doing. Your response, Lord, hear our prayer.
Gracious God, we come to you at the beginning of this academic year with our many feelings, expectation, fear, and hopes. Help us to remember, however, we have the comforting assurance from you. Your response, Lord, hear our prayer.
The journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. As we are ready to start a new academic year, who better to guide us than our dear principal, Reverend Sister Merlin? I humbly request Reverend Sister to motivate us with her inspiring words.
My dear teachers, parents, and dear students, welcome to the new academic year 2022-23. It's a great honor for me to welcome all of you to the new academic year. I know the past 2 academic years have been full of challenges, full of learning and full of exploration. All of us, including teachers, parents and students, we progressed and learned. It was all a new design, a new venture that we could successfully sail through one another's help and cooperation. Now that God has given us the opportunity to be back physically to the campus and have come out in big numbers today to learn with the new normal. Once again, our campus has become normal with the cries of the KG children, with the hustle and bustle of the students, the chirpy noise all around. We are extremely delighted to begin anew from today. It's a new beginning. Let's be hopeful for this extraordinary post-COVID academic year. Dear students, your presence is our delight. My dear children, school is yours. We are yours. We are here for you. Accept the changes of the post-COVID time and grow up well in this campus. Love one another, accept one another, and do the right thing at the right time. Remember to follow the COVID appropriate behavior, for your safety is our priority. My best wishes to all the teachers and my dear students. Let's be hopeful for this new beginning. Congratulations to Class 12A and the class teacher for organizing this welcome assembly. May God bless you all. My best wishes and prayers for a wonderful academic year ahead. May God bless us all.